Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Today's word is sual. Sual. Sual is question or query. Let's see some phrases. To ask a question. To submit a query. Bir sual vermek. Sual göndermek. A question. One sual. Basically, bir sual. Vermek. Vermek technically is an infinitive form, means to give. In this case, for Azerbaijani, we don't give question. We don't ask question, we give the question. That's why you see technically bir sual vermek. All right? To submit a query, sual göndermek. Now I'm going to go over why query can be used as sual and something else, so stick with me. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Mən müəllimə sual vermək istəyirəm. Remember the word müəllim from the day before? Let's see. I want to ask the teacher a question. You can also say skip the mən. Remember we talked about this. As long as you say istəyirəm, we will know that that's you. Müəllimə bir sual vermək istəyirəm. Müəllimə sual vermək istəyirəm. Mən müəllimə sual vermək istəyirəm. Same. I want to ask. Sual vermək istəyirəm. The teacher, müəllimə, to question. Basically, to the teacher, I want to give that question. Remember we said sual vermək, technical translation is to give the question. To who? Müəllimə. Müəllim, müəllimə. You add the suffix to. A question, sual. Let's see another sentence. Mən onlara bir sual göndərdim və indi cavab gözləyirəm. I sent them a question, query, and now I'm waiting for a reply. There is another word for query. We call it sorgu, but that's basically the ones that you submit to forms, you answer multiple questions. But here I wanted to give it just to give you a hint that you might hear that too, although not often. You're going to hear sual most of the time. Just to give you a context, an extra tip. Now, back to our question. Let's break it down. Mən onlara bir sual göndərdim. I sent them, onlara, to them, basically. Bir sual, a question or query. Göndərdim, sent. Və indi, and now, cavab gözləyirəm. I'm waiting for a reply. You see, I didn't add mən cavab gözləyirəm. Just cavab gözləyirəm is enough to signify that it's I'm the one waiting. Gözləyirəm, I'm waiting. Cavab, answer, reply. Right? That was today's word. Let's use it in some fun ways. This was my only sual in the meeting. Remember where you have to ask questions? Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to come back for a new word. Until then, check masterazbj.com. There's a treasure there. Trust me. Cheers.